In this video, we will present to you the feature Generate Reports for posts from record-only journal entries. With this feature, you can generate reports for posts from journal entries, marked as record-only, in the general journal. Let's take an example of an accountant who has journal entries defined for posting that are marked as record-only in Pantheon. They don't want to include those posts in financial reports. To generate the report for the record-only posts, go to the General Journal and Record-Only Journal Entries tab. Check the journal entries you want to include in the report in the Document Types tab, and the Document Types, Record-Only tab. Then select the report period and click Report. The report will contain posts from the selected journal entries. This makes generating reports on record-only posts easy and clear. However, please be aware that you can only generate this report if record-only journal entries exist in Pantheon. You must first check the record-only checkbox in the journal entry document type, as it's not checked automatically. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.